Yo, what's good guys? This Trime engine has been sitting in my workshop for the past 7 years. You must have seen it in my workshop makeover video. If you haven't seen it, make sure you go watch that video. So that's the carburetor, and as we can see, the fuel bubble has broken and needs replacement. Also the fuel tubes need replacement. So first we will take out the carburetor. That's the air throttle. That's the rubber bung seal type thing. And that's the oil filter. So we have a new filter, and we have to fix it back to the rubber seal. With the return tube. So it didn't fit, so I found the alternative way by putting it through the cap lid side. Put back the rubber seal. Now let's fix the carburetor. So unscrew. Fit the new bubble. Just like that, and fix it back to the engine. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button for more content. Also click on bell notifications. Now check if the spark plug is good. This one doesn't seem to be bad, so we can put that back in. The engine requires gas plus oil with a 20:1 ratio. So let's pour some. And finally start pumping the fuel into the engine to let the air escape. So let's see if it starts. Well, after a few times it actually started. Give it some acceleration to heat up and get the juice into the engine. Now adjust the throttle for your convenience. And yeah, hope you enjoyed, and thanks for watching.